Simon Chapman ought to be amused by these two speeches of Ian Smith. I was planning to canoe down down the Zambezi River in Zimbabwe, or through a bit of Angola, I think, as well. And I wanted to do the whole river down through Mozambique too. And we ended up doing this Bolivia trip, and while we were doing one of our training sessions, we missed the bus, and then I ended up doing my own thing, and there's the paddling my own canoe video. That's all the memory I've got left now. I have to stop.